Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. So, I am Firdaus, your English teacher, and in this video, I am going to explain your English grammar. Okay? So, today I am going to explain your second chapter exercise. So, before explaining the exercise, I would like to recall few points which is related to or which is important in this chapter. So let's start. So in this chapter we have studied about kinds of sentences. So how many kinds of sentences? Tell me. Yes, there are 4 kinds of sentences: statement sentence, question sentence, request or command sentence, happy or sad sentence. So statement sentence always end with a, tell me, yes, full stop. And statement sentence is also known as assertive sentence. Now question sentence always ends with a question mark and it is also known as interrogative sentence. Now request command sentence always ends with a full stop and it is also known as imperative sentence. Now happy and sad sentence always ends with a exclamation mark and this sentence is also known as exclamatory sentence. Okay, so these are few points which is important for this chapter. Now let's start exercise. Okay, now the first one is brain twister. Okay, so the question is, state whether the following sentences are statements, questions, exclamation, request और command. ओके, क्या करना है आपको? यहाँ पे बहुत सारे सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं और आपको ये सेंटेंस पढ़ना और बताना है कि ये जो सेंटेंस है वो इन 4 जो भी सेंटेंस के टाइप्स होते हैं उसमें से वो किस टाइप का सेंटेंस है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ पुट द book down. So this sentence is what it is, put the book down. So this sentence is an order. ये क्या है? एक तरह का order है. So this sentence is imperative sentence. So this sentence is imperative sentence. So you will feel here imperative sentence. Okay, now the second one, which is the flowers are in the vase. The flowers are in the vase. So this is a statement. So this sentence is a statement sentence, so you will feel here a statement sentence. Okay, now the third one, please do not talk so loudly. So this is a order, so this sentence is imperative sentence, so you will feel here imperative sentence. Now the fourth one, where did you go in the morning? So in this sentence a question mark is there. At last there is a question mark, so this sentence is question sentence. So what you will feel here? You will feel here question sentence. Now the fifth one, what a pity. So in this sentence at last there is a exclamation mark, so this sentence is exclamatory sentence. So what you will feel here? You will feel here exclamatory sentence. Now the sixth one, eat your food properly. So this is a order. So this sentence is imperative sentence. So what you will feel here? You will feel here imperative sentence. Now the seventh one, alas, we have lost the match. So in this sentence exclamation mark is there. So this sentence is exclamatory sentence. So you will feel here exclamatory sentence. Now the eighth one is, there are many animals in the zoo. So this is a statement and this sentence is also ending with a full stop. So you will write here statement sentence. Okay, now the ninth one, when did you come back? So in this sentence a question mark is there. So this sentence is question sentence or interrogative sentence. So you will write here question sentence. Now the last one, which is please give me some money. So this is a request because please is there. So this sentence is imperative sentence. So what you will write here? You will write here imperative sentence. Okay, got it? Now next question. Your next question is, look at the following pictures, color them and write 4 kinds of sentences about each picture. Name the kind of sentence in the box. Few pictures are given here and you have to write 4 types of sentences and you have to name them in this box. क्या करना है आपको? इस पिक्चर से रिलेटेड आपको यहाँ पे 4 सेंटेंस लिखने हैं और चारों जो है आपका जो 4 तरह के सेंटेंस होते हैं वही होने चाहिए, स्टेटमेंट, क्वेश्चन, इंपरेटिव एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी। और फिर यहाँ पे आपको नेम करना है कि आपने यहाँ पे जो सेंटेंस लिखा है वो कौन सा सेंटेंस है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। लुक एट द पिक्चर, व्हाट इट इज़, टेल मी। yes, it is a peacock. So first one, in first one you will write peacock is very beautiful. Peacock is very beautiful. So this is a statement sentence, so you will fill here a statement. Okay, now second one, is this peacock, is this peacock, and at last you will give question mark. So this sentence is question sentence, so you will write here question sentence. Now the third one, in third one you will write wow, it is beautiful. What you will you will write wow, it is beautiful, and after wow you will put exclamation mark. So this sentence is exclamatory sentence. This sentence is exclamatory sentence, so you will write here exclamatory sentence. Okay, now the fourth one, the fourth one, in fourth one you will write go and see the peacock. Go and see the peacock, and this is a order, so this sentence is imperative sentence. Now see the second picture, what it is, it is a rose. Which flower it is? It is a rose. So in first one you will write rose is red. Rose is red, so this sentence is statement sentence. Now in second you will write this is your rose. This is your rose, and at last you will put question mark. So this is question sentence, so you will write here question sentence. Now in third you will write wow, how beautiful, and after wow you will put exclamation mark. So this is exclamatory sentence. Now the fourth one, in fourth one you will write don't pluck this rose. Don't pluck this rose, so this is order, so this is imperative sentence. Okay, now the third picture, what it is, tell me. Yes, it is a lion. So in first one you will write lion is king of forest. So this is a statement, you will write here a statement sentence. Now second one, is lion sleeping. What you will write here, is lion sleeping, at last you will put question mark. So this is question sentence. Now in third you will write what a big lion, and at last you will put exclamation mark. So this is exclamatory sentence. And in fourth you will write don't go near lion. Don't go near lion, so this is a command sentence because you are giving an order. So you will write here imperative. What you will write here, imperative sentence. Okay, now the last picture, what it is, it is a mobile phone. So in first one you will write this is mobile phone. This is mobile phone, so this is statement sentence. In second you will write what is this, what is this, and you will put question mark. So this is question sentence. Now in third one, you will write oh no, I missed mobile. Oh no, I missed mobile. So and after oh no you will put exclamation mark. So this is exclamatory sentence. Now the last one, and in last one you will feel don't play with mobile. Don't play with mobile, so this is order, so this sentence is imperative sentence. Okay, got it? Okay, now let's see another question, which is activity zone. What it is? It is activity zone. So what is question? Rearrange these words to make meaningful sentence. क्या करना है आपको? इन सारे वर्ड्स को रीअरेंज करना है, और रीअरेंज ऐसे करना है जिससे कि कोई एक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बने. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. द फर्स्ट वन इज went up Jack and Jill the hill. So you are getting meaningful sentence from these words? No, you are not getting meaningful sentence because words are not arranged in a proper manner. So let's arrange the word. Okay, so what you will write here? You will write here Jack and Jill went up Jack and Jill the hill. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Okay, this one is the correct. Now the second one. Your second one is up stand. So what you will write here? You will write here stand up. Stand up is meaningful word. Now the meaningful sentence. Now the third one. Found box the daddy was. The daddy was in a found box. What is the correct order? The daddy was in a found box. Now the fourth one. The fourth one is while limping Sumit. So what you will write here? You will write here why Sunit is limping. So this one is meaningful sentence. Now the fifth one. Fifth one is you thank. So this is not correct. What you will write here? You will write here thank you. Now the sixth one. Ate the mouse the cat. This is not correct. So you will write here the cat ate the mouse. Okay. Now next one. The next one is 7. In 7 the question is tea please me of cup given. So what you will write here? You will write here please give me a cup of tea. Okay. Now 8th one. Tennis Mirza Sania player is. So what you will write here? Sania Mirza is a tennis player. This is a meaningful sentence. Now the 9th one. In 9th one, a flower what beautiful. This is not correct. What you will write here? You will write here what a beautiful flower. What a beautiful flower. Now the last one. Resting is grandfather his. This is not correct because this is not meaningful sentence. So what you will write here? You will write here his grandfather is resting. This is a meaningful sentence. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Use the following phrases to form imperative sentences. Few phrases are given here. You have to use and make a sentence which is imperative sentence. Okay. Let's start. The first one is walk very. So what you can make from walk very? Yes, you can write walk very slow. Now be honest. So what you will make from be honest? Be honest to everyone. You will write here be honest to everyone. The third one is please do. So you will write here please do not pluck flowers. Now the fourth one. Fourth one is I request that. So what you will write here? You can write here I request that don't go outside. Now the fifth one. The fifth one is cross the bridge. Cross the bridge. So you can write here cross the bridge carefully. And at last, in every sentence, at last you will put full stop. Now the sixth one. Sixth one is open the. So what you can write here? You can write here please open the door. Now the seventh one. Seventh one is leave home. What it is? Leave home. So you can write here do not leave home. Now the last one. The last one is please listen. So what you can write here? You can write here please listen carefully. Okay. Now the last one. The last one is tick the correct sentences. Correct the sentences that are incorrect and rewrite them. Also mention the kind of sentence. क्या करना है आपको? पहले चेक करना है कि ये जो सेंटेंस दिया गया है वो सही है कि नहीं है. अगर सही नहीं है तो आपको उसको करेक्ट करके यहाँ पे लिखना है, ठीक है। और उसके बाद बताना है कि ये जो सेंटेंस है वो किस टाइप का सेंटेंस है। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। द फर्स्ट वन इज अकबर वॉज अ मुगल एम्पेयर। सो दिस इज़ अ करेक्ट सेंटेंस and this is a statement sentence, so you will write here statement sentence. Now next one is you welcome to my house. So this is not correct, so what you will write here? You will write here you are welcome to my house. You will write here you are welcome to my house, and this is a statement sentence, so you will write here statement. Now the third one is where are you going? Where you going? This is not correct. First you have to correct, so what you will write here? You will write here where are you going, and this is a question sentence, so you will write here question. Now the fourth one is please sit down. Please sit down, so this is correct sentence, and this sentence is imperative sentence. Now the fifth one is wow, what a pretty dress. So in this sentence exclamation mark is there, so you will write here exclamatory sentence, and this sentence is correct. Okay, so your exercise is done. Okay, this is your exercise of your chapter 2. Now your homework. So your homework is you have to fill your book. What you have to do? You have to only fill your book. Got it everyone? Okay.